Hi guys, we're back with some more stop animation, and we got a Shopkins vending machine and a little Shopkins pack. And I've been wanting this vending machine, so let's get to opening it. And don't forget to watch our other Shopkins videos where we got some other characters, which this vending machine will help me keep track of how many I have, because I can just put them all in here. So we want to open the vending machine first because this is the biggest one and it's cool. And then we can open it up. And it has nutty butter and it has it's this other one, which, oh yeah, creamy bun. So we're gonna put it, so that's nutty butter and creamy bun. So we're gonna take them out and show them who they are. There's nutty bun. And here's creamy bun. What you can do is use this as a shelf if you pull these out. And it also comes the list inside. And you can use this to hold your little Shopkins in, and it looks so like a vending machine. So I'm gonna put these two in here. And then they're in the bottom, so you can't really see them. But this is what this side looks like. Has a few characters on there. The back and the side. So let's get opening this now. Okay. I'm excited. Don't forget, if we get doubles, we'll do a giveaway if we get 100 subscribers. We'll actually do a lot of giveaways because we got a lot of stuff to give away. Okay, this is our first pack. Ooh, Swiss Miss, little string cheese. That's what they think. We got pretzel, so that's cool. So we've got the two that we got in here is nutty butter and creamy bun, and then we got Swiss Miss and pretzel. So those are the few that we got. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to tell us which one's your favorite one of all the Shopkins. So bye guys, check out our other videos.